Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with a reminder and an update. Yes, both. So if you're interested in finding out what I'm talking about, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, everyone, if this is your first time coming to my channel, feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below. And next to it, a bell will appear. Click that bell, and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know you have my heart, and thank you for coming back. Now, on with the update. Now, I have a challenge that's going to be up December 6th at 8 a.m. Now, the original title, I'm reading my notes, is the Winter Mantle Decor Challenge 2019. But I've realized that my mom doesn't have a mantle. So I'm pretty sure there are others out here that don't have a mantle as well. So I wanted to be able to include everyone in on this challenge who wants to participate. So I did change the name to a Winter Fireplace Decor Challenge so that you can decorate whatever part of your fireplace that you have. And if you don't have a fireplace, I also say that you can decorate a shelf or a hutch. So now, I had simple rules, guys, very simple rules for this challenge. The first rule is you must mention my channel in your video. You must also subscribe to my channel. You also need to have my channel link and the playlist when it becomes available down below in your description. The other thing I ask is that you have at least one reindeer in your decor. So for the fireplace, the Winter Fireplace Challenge of 2019 is required, very simple requirements. And last year, the mantles were beautiful last year. And the fall ones were for this year as well. I'm really excited to see what you come up with for your winter fireplace decor this year. So again, if you have any questions concerning this challenge, feel free to either email me, and my email link is down below in the description, or leave me a message down below. And if you like my content, you know what to do, guys. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below on the screen as well as in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.